In this video, we'll look at what is new in Descript Storyboard version 57, and this release was done on the 6th of February 2023. So we now have scene thumbnails, and they've been moved from the script section to something they're calling the scene rail, which makes it easier to quickly navigate, rearrange, and interact with scenes in your compositions. That is really awesome. We now have added ability to right-click a scene in the scene rail and save it as a template. That is also highly welcome. Layers now snap to other layers when dragged, resized, and rotated. That's really awesome as well. And also we have right-clicking at a point in the canvas with multiple layers stacked together. Will give you the select layer and so on and so forth, drop down, and you can select the desired layer. Now we also have the drive view load time is now 6 times faster in the app and 12 times faster on the web. Maybe those who really do a lot of heavy work on Descript can comment on that and say if it's really faster. Basic seat limitations are now fully enforced in Descript. You can now add custom billing details to your invoices, which will be reflected in the downloadable PDF invoices and receipts. So they also fixed an issue with recorder device detection. So let's go into Descript, and you can now see we have a new kind of side menu here, and this is the scene rail. So you can see that we have a scene right here because of this. If we actually add another scene here, let's say we add one here, you'll get number 2. And something else I'd like you to note is that down here, those scenes are also forming some thumbnails on top here, which is highly welcome, especially if you want to navigate through a couple of sections. So if we actually add another one, just add that, add another one, you see how everything looks. They keep stacking up and so on and so forth. So that is what they look like. So let's assume we want to add some media. So we just come here, let's say we go to scene number 1, we have that image. Let's go to scene number 2, we have that image. Click on 3, then come here, add your media again. This is 3, that looks good. And then we can do that over and over again. Scene number 4, and then we can go maybe to scene number 5 right there. So we've got a couple of options right here. Let's actually show the layers, and this is what everything looks like. So if we play this,
can you edit a PDF?
Your scenes are going to be there, or your images or whatever you've added is going to be available, and you can easily navigate through the different scenes by clicking on these thumbnails here, or even clicking on these thumbnails right here. Really awesome. And also having them available right here makes life a ton easier. So the second thing we need to look at is selecting media on the canvas. Let's say we stacked some more media on this one and some more again on this. So the first scene here, or first scene here, has 3 like images. You can see them 1, 2, 3. Now what happens is that when you right click on this section, you'll get a select layer option, and by default it is the layer that is there, mountain valley with river in the evening. You can click on green leaves and you'll see that this changes to green leaves. But now, because the first image and the green leaves are identical in size, you'll probably not see any change, but you'll notice that it is highlighted here. But I wish there was a way that it would dim out or kind of inactivate the layer in front to make the layer that you've made a selection to become prominent. That would be highly welcome. So if you want to select the initial layer down there, beautiful nature, it's this one, and it's been selected, and you can see it right here. So that's really awesome and highly welcome, but I wish it would dim out or even kinda become inactive once you select, so that if you wanted to make any changes on this side, you can make any changes you want in terms of maybe the dimensions, maybe add an effect, etc. Something else we've noticed is that you can now select, let's assume, a scene like this, and then right click on it and save to template. Once you do that, it lets you know where do you want to save it, as a audiogram template, fancy captions, or create a new template. So adding scene to template, that is what you get. So if you want to reuse it, it's brought you to this section. You need to publish your template. You can title your scene, whatever you want to title it. So yeah, let's say publish template and then title scene, slide 1 or whatever. Just be a little bit creative in that. Just click on publish template. Let's see, here we go. So all changes saved, template published, and then let's actually just close this and see if we can find it under the templates. It should be the untitled one. Yes, this one. You can always edit the template, whatnot, etc. But simply put, this is highly welcome, especially if you create something that you want to reuse over and over again. That is highly welcome. The others are just speed in Descript. Hopefully it's a little bit faster. And we see now the layers now snap to each other. So let's enable this. Let us see. So I think they do snap in a way. Not so prominent because normally in most video editing applications you'll see some sort of lines come up so that when the snapping happens, there they go. The lines are coming up and you can see they're showing up, so they'll snap right inside there. That's highly welcome as well. So I don't think there's much to say there. So we've looked at everything in here. So the new things in version 57, the scene rail right here, and you can use it to quickly navigate, swap. Actually, you can actually hold it and swap those different sections, so that you can speed up your content creation process in Descript. Highly welcome. So that's it for this video. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning. Thanks for watching.